Welcome back to O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. Today you join me with Manish Pandey's Ferrari 456M. Car is extremely famous. If you listen to the podcast he is on, and you are going to see his live reaction to him seeing the car for the first time. I deliberately didn't send him any photographs of the finished interior once we were complete, just a few little teasers to get him excited. Hope you enjoy the video. This has been a great project for us, and it's been really interesting working with Manish to deliver him his perfect 456 interior.
Yeah, I'm just getting my head around it.
I'll leave you to open the door when you're ready.
I mean, I thought she would be beautiful. I don't think she'd be this. There's no word, is there? You've even done that corner perfectly.
Because I haven't sent you any finished pictures, have I? I've just sent you little teasers.
What do you think, Tim?
It's unbelievable.
I just think
Colour. It's the colour. It's so lovely.
you were so right, weren't you? And that's better than any painting. I mean, it's just unbelievable. This is probably the most surreal moment of my life.
On the tunnel.
Yeah.
And then we did the shaped bit of
That
carpet
beautiful
at the
S
front,
shape,
just
yeah.
so that passengers aren't kicking the leather. And then you've got the 250, 275 instead of the carpet on the bottom with the perforations for the speakers. Flukes in the doors.
It's just ridiculous. I knew it would be. You just, I wasn't prepared for how beautiful. But all the decisions are good. There isn't a bad decision here.